Welcome everyone. So last class আমি index number start কৰিছিলো and index numberৰ কি types আছে last তালৈকে discuss কৰা হৈছিলে. The types of major দুটা types আছে, এটা হল weighted, এটা হল unweighted, and weighted ৰ ভিতৰত দুটা আছে, এটা হল simple and এটা unweighted ৰ ভিতৰত দুটা types আছিলে, এটা হল simple aggregate, এটা হল simple average of price relative. ঠিক তেনেদৰে weighted ৰ আন্ডাৰতো দুটা types আছিল. Now all of them examples to jo dia goisile tar formula jibur dia goise we did in on price, right? Ami price index or upor he formula kita likhisilu. So if I go back prottek to the weighted average to ami price or upor likhisu thik tarandore tumar etu to ami features index of price or karone likhisu. So all of these formulas can be calculated for quantities also, right? So quantity index numbers, right? So quantity index number same bostu ami etia price or thait quantity, that means p thait q replace kori. So number 1 is last pairs index number, right? Last pair index number for what? For quantity. So quantity hole ki hobo? Q hobo. Now index number denote koribo karone ami capital use koru, and prothomote base period ahe tar bisot current period ahe is equal to, now last pairs at ami jetia price or karone loisilu tetia ami Q0 as a weight loisilu. এতিয়া আমি যেহেতু কোয়ান্টিটিৰ কাৰণে লৈছো তেতিয়াহলে তাৰ অপোজিট টু কি হৈ যাব? P0 weight হৈ যাব. So it will be summation Q1 P0 summation Q0 P0 into 100. So basically বেলেগ একো নহয়, আমি P আৰু Q চেঞ্জ কৰিছো. Last pair price index formula to asile ki P01 is summation P1 summation P0 Q0 Q0. To ami P thait Q likhisu, Q thait P likhisu, otherwise the formula will be same. So next number B, last pairs or pisot asile passes index number P double A S CH apostrophe S passes index number for quantity. So this will be Q01. So this is capital L, this is P. This is Q1 summation Q0. প্ৰথমটোত আমি P0 as a weight loisilu, eta P1 as a weight lom. P1 into 100. So this is passes index number. Then Marshall Edwards asile Marshall Edwards quantity index number or index. You can ignore this number part, index boli likhileo sufficient. And yate prottekote quantity, there should be a quantity in between. So last pairs quantity index passes quantity index, Marshall Edwards quantity index. Marshall Edwards ki loisilu initial jotia price or khetrot asile, it was the average of P0 plus P1 divided by 2. এটা role to reverse আছে so ইয়াত কি sorry that was q0 plus q1 by 2 asile in case of price in case of quantity hobo p0 plus p1 divided by 2 so this can be written as quantity 01 Marcel Edward is equal to summation q1 p0 plus summation q1 p1 summation q0 p0 plus summation q0 p1 into 100. So this is Marcel Edward quantity index. The last one is Fisher's quantity index. The last one is Fisher's quantity index. Fisher's quantity index was a geometric mean of passe and last pairs. So after simplification you will get it as q01 Fisher is equal to root over summation q1 p0 summation q0 p0 summation q1 p1 summation q0 p1 this whole thing into 100, right? So that is Fisher's quantity index number. So ami etialoke Fisher's ei sarita that means last pairs passe Marcel Edward and Fisher's or price index or formula likhilu and quantity index or formula likhisu. And the last formula that is important, that is value index number. So last we will discuss that is value index number, right? So value I already koisu the value is equal to price into quantity, right? So value index number V01 is given by summation P1 Q1 divided by P0 Q0 into 100. So এইটো হল total value in current period, এইটো হব total value in base period, right? So total value of in base period ba aru uporot thakibo total value in current period multiplied by 100. So এইটো hoise tumar value index or formula for the current period compared to base period, right? So these are different formulas that will be used. And next topic is test for a good index number. So এটা index number বা index number যেটো formula আমি discuss কৰিছিলো না ইমান কেটা formula আছে. So obviously there will be a question, automatic question যে এই আটাই কেটা formula ভিতৰত কোনটো আটাইতকৈ best, যে কোনটো আমি আটাইতকৈ frequently use কৰিব লাগে. আমি last pairs use কৰিম না passe use কৰিম না Marcel Edward use কৰিম না Fisher's use কৰিম. Because চাৰিটা যেতিয়া অপচন থাকে আমাৰ সদায় এটা automatic question আহে যে এই চাৰিটা অপচনৰ ভিতৰত আটাইতকৈ best কোনটো, which is the most efficient. So a most efficient index number জানিবৰ কাৰণে Professor Irving Fisher তোমাৰ দুটা টেস্ট দিছে, right? So টেস্ট দুটা হল, one is called time reversal test and 2 number 2 হল factor reversal test, right? Time reversal test বা factor reversal test. So time reversal test কি হৈছে যে base period আৰু current period যদি তুমি interchange কৰা তেতিয়াও তুমি যদি একেই পোৱা, that means base period আৰু time period যেটো তুমি value let's me give you an example যে তুমি ধৰি লোৱা price index ওলাইছা for base period compared to current period, right? P01 ওলাইছা, ইয়াৰ এটা value পাইছা, so P যদি 10 ওলাও it should be 1 by P01 হ'ব লাগে, দে ইহত reciprocal to each other হ'ব লাগে, or in other words আমি ক'ব পাৰো যে base period ওপৰত আৰু current period ওপৰত calculate কৰা দুইটা index যদি multiply কৰো we should get 1. So this test is called time reversal test, যে সময়টো change কৰিলে he completely opposite হ'ব লাগে, 1 by that previous value হ'ব লাগে, that is called time reversal test. And the next one is called factor reversal test, and factor reversal test or motedi if you get P01 into Q01 is equal to V01, that means price index number আৰু quantity index number যদি multiply কৰিলে তুমি যদি value index number পোৱা তেতিয়া হলে তাক factor reversal test pass কৰা বুলি কয়। যদি তুমি এইটো পোৱা, if this is satisfied it is called it satisfied time reversal test pass কৰিছে, আৰু যদি এইটো satisfy হয় তেতিয়া আমি কম যে factor reversal test pass কৰিছে। so তোমাৰ ফৰ্মুলাটোৱে এই দুইটা যদি টেষ্ট পাস কৰে, যেটো ফৰ্মুলাই এই দুইটা টেষ্ট পাস কৰিব আমি সেই ফৰ্মুলাটোকে আটাইতকৈ বেস্ট ফৰ্মুলা হিচাপে কনসিডাৰ কৰিম, right? So let's try the time reversal test and factor reversal test কোন কেইটা টেস্টে তোমার ফর্মুলায় পাস করে and কোন কেইটাই ফেল করে, right? So we will start with time reversal test. Time reversal test. প্রথম হল last pairs index number. Last pairs index number. So last pairs or price index number for base and current যদি আমি লো যে P01 last pairs আসিলে summation P1 Q0 summation P0 Q0 into 100. এতিয়া তুমি আমি এইটো P10 calculate কৰিব লাগে, that means আমি base of current লকে convert কৰিম, current to base লকে convert কৰিম। so এইটো কি হৈ যাব, P1 to 0 হৈ যাব and 0 to 1 হৈ যাব, right? similarly ইয়াতে P0 to 1 হৈ যাব, Q0 to 1 হৈ যাব into 100. now we will see the ইহত দাক multiply কৰিলে আমি 1 পাও নে নাপাও, whether we get 1 or not. so P01 last pair into P10 last pair is equal to summation P1 Q0 summation P0 Q0 into 100 into summation P0 Q1 summation P1 Q1 into 100. now which is ইয়াতে কোনো এটা ভ্যালু আমাৰ cancel out হোৱা নাই, so which is not equal to 1. therefore last pairs index does not satisfy time reversal test, right? So last pairs of formula time reversal test satisfy nokore. Now we will go to passes index number. So number 2 is passes index number. So passes index number at P01 is given by summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q1 into 100. এটা যদি আমি ইয়াৰ টাইম টু ইন্টারচেঞ্জ কৰো, that means P10 ক্যালকুলেট কৰো, that means 0 বোৰ 1 হ'ব and 1 বোৰ 0 হ'ব. তো summation কি হ'ব? P1 to 0 হ'ব, Q1 to 0 হ'ব. This is summation P0 to 1 হ'ব, Q1 to 0 হ'ব into 100. So এতিয়া যদি আমি এই দুটা মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰো, P01 into P10, তোমার 100 কেতিয়াও cancel out নহয় ইয়াত. So since cancel out নহয়, so this is not equal to 1, right? See, 1 value নিদিয়ে. Thus passes index also does not satisfy by the way. There is one thing that I would like to mention here, that even if this 100, we can actually ignore this 100 here too and agor here too, because 100 will never get cancelled. Here too ami 100 keta ignore koribo paro. Time reversal test 100 keta ignore kora jay, so we will not write this two part. So yat 100 eta ignore korileo you see je ei duta jodi moi completely ignore kori diu, still ei keta point ot kono eta common nai je cancel out hobo. Similarly in passes index number ami 100 keta jodi ignore koru, the value will be here summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q1 into summation P0 Q0 summation P1 Q0. So এইটো কোনো এটা common point নাই cancel out হবৰ কাৰণে, so it is not equal to 1. So passes does not satisfy time reversal test. So number 3 is Marshall-Edgeworth index. So Marshall-Edgeworth P01 is given by summation P1 Q0 plus summation P1 Q1 summation P0 Q0 plus summation P0 Q1, right? 100 আমি ignore কৰিছো. So ইয়াত P10, that means আমি time to change কৰো, 0 বোৰ 1 হ'ব and 1 বোৰ 0 হ'ব. So P0 Q1 hobo plus summation P0 Q0 hobo, and this will be P1 Q1 plus summation P1 Q0. Now here jodi ami P01 into P10 koru, this will give us summation P1 Q1 Q0 plus summation P1 Q1 summation P0 Q0 plus summation P0 Q1 into summation P1 Q1 plus summation P1 Q0 summation P0 Q1 P0 Q0 summation P1 Q1 plus summation P1 Q0. Okay, so if you see a term to and a term to eketai hoy, a term to 0 0 P0 Q0 P0 Q0 P0 Q1 P0 Q1. So a term to, so gute khini cancel out hoy is equal to 1, right? So ami 1 paisu. Does Marcel Edward index satisfies time reversal test? So ami dekhilu je Marcel Edwards e satisfy kore, and the last one is Fisher, right? So ami sam je Fisher e satisfy kore na nokore. So Fisher's index number is P01. Fisher is given by root over summation P1 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 summation P0 Q0 summation P0 Q1. এটা এইটো যদি আমি টাইম টু চেঞ্জ কৰো P10F কৰো তেতিয়া হলে root over this will be summation P1 to P0 hobo Q0 to Q1 hobo. Similarly P0 to 1 hobo Q0 to 1 hobo P0 to 1 to 0 hobo Q1 to 0 hobo 0 to 1 hobo and Q1 to 0 hobo. Now if we multiply this P01F into P10F, this will be ami root over dal common loi loisu, common loi loar loge lage it will be summation P1 Q0 by summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 summation P0 Q1 summation P0 Q1 summation P1 Q1 into summation P0 Q0 summation P1 Q0, and you will see P0 and A2 cancel out, P1 Q1 P1 Q1 cancel out, P0 Q1 P0 Q1 cancel out, P1 Q0 P1 Q0. So this is root over 1 which is equal to 1, right? So does Fisher's index satisfies time reversal test? So ami ki palu je time reversal testot last pairs passes number 3 Marcel Edward and number 4 Fisher's. So these two does not satisfy, these two satisfy, right? It is about time reversal test. Next ami study korim factor reversal test, and we will see yotor bidot kun keta satisfy kore kun keta satisfy nokore. Eta factor reversal test ki asile je P01 into Q01 should give us V01, right? Etu hol factor reversal test. So first and V01 ki hobo lage? P01 V01 is equal to summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0. Etu pabo lage ami ignoring 100. Ignoring 100 to ami ignore korim. So basically ami jetia tar let's say passes ba last pairs ba Fishers ba Marshall Edward tar jetia ami price index tok quantity index ere multiply korim 100 bur ignore kori tetia ami ei term to pabo lage je summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q0 pabo lage ami. If we get this, that means he factor reversal test satisfy kore. Right, so let's start with last pairs. So last pairs or khetrot P01 is summation P1 Q0 summation P0 Q0 and Q01 will be summation Q1 summation Q0 and this will be P0 P0. So it ami jodi P01 into Q01 koru then we will get summation P1 Q0 summation P0 Q0 into summation Q1 P0 summation Q0 P0, right? So this is not equal to this summation P1 Q1 P0 Q0, right? Not equal to summation P1 Q1 summation P0 Q0 is not equal to V01, right? If V01 equal no whole does last pairs index does not satisfy factor reversal test. Factor reversal test. So if factor reversal test amar last pair se fail korile, right? Fail, it does not satisfy. Similarly for passes jodi ami sao the same process, you will see that passe also fails. Passes or khetrot the value is P01 is summation P1 Q1 summation P0 Q1. So Q01 is summation Q1 summation Q0 P1 P1. So P01 into Q01 is not equal to V01. Yadu, right? So you fail kore. Next is third one is Marshall Edward. So Marshall Edward or khetrotu the value is P01 is summation P1 Q0 plus summation P1 Q1 summation P0 Q0 plus summation P0 Q1. So Q01 will be P ঠাইত Q লিখিব লাগে, Q ঠাইত P লিখিব লাগে. Q1 P0 Q1 P1 Q0 P0 Q0 P1 তুমি চাবা যে P01 and Q01 multiply কৰিলে we don't get because summation আছে কেতিয়াও cancel out নহয় cancel out হৈ আমি নাপাও so this is not equal to V01 so that means Marshall Edwards তোমার a factor reversal test fail right is satisfy নকৰে the last is remaining is Fishers right Fishers so Fishers of ক্ষেত্ৰত P01 is root over summation P1 Q0 by summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 summation P0 Q1 Now P01 into Q01 will be, let's take the square root common, summation P1 Q0 summation P0 Q0 into summation Q1 P0 summation Q0 P0 into summation P1 Q1 summation P0 Q1 into summation Q1 P1 summation Q0 P1 so here root over P1 Q0 P1 Q0 and P1 Q0 cancel out and again your P0 Q1 P0 Q1 cancel out hoise so these two are cancel out এইটো বস্তু একেটাই P0 Q0 so that can be written as summation P0 Q0 whole thing square আৰু এই দুটা same হয় so that can be written as P1 Q1 whole square the root over or square duita cancel out hoy we will get summation P1 Q1 summation P0 Q0 right which is equal to V01 so ami palu je P01 into Q01 is equal to V01 thus Fishers index satisfies factor reversal test so let's back to আমি এখন টেবল বনাইছিলো so টেবল খনত আমি কি পালো factor reversal last pair se নকৰে পাছেও নকৰে Marshall Edwards এও নকৰে ই কৰে right so আমি কি পালো যে Fisher is the only formula Fishers or jitu index number বনোৱা formula হেতু একমাত্ৰ যে দুইটায়ে তোমার test pass করিলে so we found out that Fishers or index number jitu formula ase that satisfy both time reversal test as well as factor reversal test hekane Fishers of formula Fishers ideal index formula বুলিও কোৱা হয় Ideal word to ye kane use kore because it duitai test pass korise. Now question is why Fisher's index is called as ideal index number. The question ahe very frequent. So tar answer to hobo because Fisher's index number satisfies both time reversal test as well as factor reversal test. Right? That is the reason. Now let's try an example. Jot ami eta data set or pora given information or pora a gute formula kita, that means last pairs passe Marshall Edward and Fisher's method ere price index number calculate koi, right? So example. So in this example there are certain commodities and commodities bilakor price ase and quantity ase for the base period jitu hol 1990, and there are certain price and quantity for the current period which is 1993. So the commodities are A, B, C and D, and price are 6, 2, 4 and 10, and the quantities are 50, 100, 60 and 30. Price are 10, 2, 6 and 12. The quantities are 56, 120, 60 and 24. Right? So it all information, given information. Here I am in 1990 is our base period, and 1993 is the current period. So basically if I have to identify, this is P0, A2 whole Q0, A2 whole P1, A2 whole Q1. So aru etia our formulas bor hol price index ulabo laise. So first one is, let me write it in symbols. So P01 last pairs is summation P1 Q0 summation P0 Q0 into 100. That is one formula. P01 last pairs of passes or formula hold summation P1 Q1 summation P0 Q1 into 100. Then Marshall Edward P01 Marshall Edward is summation P1 Q0 plus summation P1 Q1 summation P0 Q0 plus summation P0 Q1 into 100. And last is price index for Fisher, that is square root of summation P1 Q0 by summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 summation P0 Q1 into 100. So basically amak etia P1 Q0 lagibo, P1 Q1 lagibo, P0 Q1 lagibo. So ei eneke amak bahut kita columns calculate koribo lage. So we will calculate or we will construct a new table. Okay, so this is the original table. Now we will construct few more columns. কেইটামান আমি নতুন কলম ক্যালকুলেট করি, and those are P1 Q0 P0 Q0 P1 Q1 P0 Q1 এই চাৰিটা কলম আমি ক্যালকুলেট কৰিম. This will be newly calculated. So yellow khini hol your columns that you will have to calculate for calculations of these different indexes, and then that ami total to calculate korim yata. So we will find out the total. So P1 means egeta value, right? This is P1. Q0 means this. So let's find out. So P1 Q0 is 10 into 50. So the values are 500, 200, 360, and again 360. Then P0 Q0 is multiplying these values corresponding. This will be 300, 200, 240, and 300. P1 Q1 means multiplying these values. So 10 into 56, so 560, 240, 360, and last is 288. And the last one is P0 Q1. That means P0 are these values, Q1 means these values. So 6 into 10 is P0 Q1. So this P0 are 6, 2, 4, 10, and Q1 means 56, 120, 60, and 24. So 6 into 56 is 336. Then 2 into 120 is 240. 4 into 60 is 240, and 24 into 10 is 240. Now we will add them. So total of this P1 Q0 is 1421. This is 1040. This is 1448, and this one is 1056. So this is basically summation P1 Q0. This is summation P0 Q0. This is summation P1 Q1, and this one is summation P0 Q1. So we got the value. Iti ami ekhinit bahabo lage. So this is equal to summation P1 Q0 okay. So let me write summation P1 q0 whole 1420 summation p0 q0 is 1040 summation p1 q1 is 1448 and summation p0 q1 is 1056. So let's place the value. So yat hobo tomar 1420 divided by 1040 into 100, which is equal to 136.54. Now here passes, it is p1 q1, summation p1 q1 is 1448, summation p0 q1 is 1056 into 100, which is equal to 137.12. This one is summation p1 q0, summation p1 q0 is 1420 plus summation p1 q1 is equal to 1448 divided by summation p0 q0 is 1040 plus p0 q1 is 1056 into 100, which is equal to 136.83. And lastly, this is equal to square root of 1420 divided by 1040 into 1448 divided by 1056 into 100, which is equal to 136.83. So you see yate jodio ami beleg formula re calculate korisu, still the value is 136, 136.83, 136 point something, 137. So ami passes besi paisu, but almost gute khinie 136.5 or akhe pakhe ba 8 or akhe pakhe ase, right? So do ami formula beleg use kori asu, last page ba passe ba Marcel Edward বা features আমি value বুৰৰ মাজত ইমান এটা difference নাই, right? So this is how we calculate index number by the straightforward method. A straightforward method means this is weighted methods, right? Simple weighted simple aggregate method. These are okay. So let's take another example, and where we will use the concept of factor reversal and time reversal also. So let's take another example. Jot amak features index number calculate koribo dise, and there are two time points, 2000 and 2004. So obviously 2000 will be the base period and 2004 will be the current period. And yate amar 6 ta commodity dia ase A to F, and their prices and values dia ase. Now yat prothomote mon koribo lagibo je these are say this base period, so these are P0. This is current period, so these are P1. But yate jeto amar features index calculate koribo karone amak lage P0 or Q amak value lage, that means quantities lage, but yet quantities dia na, yat dia ase values. So yat tables khonot indirectly values dia ase. A values opora ami ki koribo lagibo, we will have to find out the quantities. How? Quantity is equal to value by price. So ইয়াৰ সলিউশনত লিখিব লাগিব at first we find out the quantities as this, right? Then we can create another table which will have commodities A, B, C, D, E and F. We have P0, we have Q0, we have P1, we have Q1. Then আমাক P0 Q0 লাগে, P0 Q1 লাগে, then P1 Q0 লাগে and P1 Q1 লাগে. So these are the different values we will have to calculate. So P0 values are 10, 8, 12, 20, 5 and 2. Q0's values bur hol a 100 of values bur price are. So 100 divided by 10 will be 10, 96 divided by 8 will be 12, etc, etc. Right? 12 divided 144 divided by 12 will be again 12. So teneke ami q bilak calculate koribo paru and the values will be 10, 12, 12, 15, 8 and 10. And P1 or value dia ase 12, 8, 15, 25, 8 and 4. And similarly Q value bur hobo Q1 or value keneke pam 96 divided by 12 will be Q 104 divided by 8, 120 divided by 15, 250 divided by 25, 64 divided by 8 and 24 divided by 4. So Q1 or value bur hobo 8, 13, 8, 10, 8 and 6. Now we will calculate P0 Q0. So 10 into 10 is 100, 96, 144. So after calculation we got these values. So P0 Q0 total palo ami 700. So this is summation P0 Q0. P0 Q1, that means this is summation P0 Q1. This is summation P1 Q0 and this is summation P1 Q1. So eti amak features index calculate koribo lage. So features index so formula to hol features index is given by P01F is equal to root over summation P1 Q0 summation P0 Q0 summation P1 Q1 summation P0 Q1 into 100. So we got 875 divided by P0 Q0 is 700 into 658 divided by 532 into 100. So a term to root over khinit calculate korile we will get 1.2 1.2434 into 100, so this is 124.34, right? So this is your Fisher's index. Also you will have to test time reversal and factor reversal test, right? So time reversal test কৰিবৰ কাৰণে কি হ'ব লাগে? For time reversal test, P01 into P10 should be equal to 1. So P01 আমি already calculate কৰিলো 124.34. এতিয়া আমি calculate কৰিব লাগিব P10F. Fisher P10F calculate কৰিব লাগে. Now P10F, that means আমি time to change কৰিছো, is given by summation P0Q1 summation P1Q1 into summation P0Q0 summation P1Q0 into 100, which is equal to, this is 532, this is 658, this is 700, and this is 875. Okay, another thing, আমি time reversal 100 to ignore koro, so let's ignore, and this value, this is P10. Then P01F 100 to ignore korile, so this is equal to, or this is equal to, actually এইটো আমি ইয়াৰ আগত calculate কৰিছিলো, ইয়াৰ আগত calculate কৰোতে যদি মই 100 terms to ignore কৰো, this is equal to this term, right? এইখিনি ignoring the 100. So let's go here, and if I place it here, so this is your P01F. It is the P01F or P10F মই multiply koro, this will give you P01 ot ki asile 875 by 700 into 658 by 532 into your P10 532 by 658 into 700 by 875. So your 875, 875, 700, 700, 658, 658, 532, 532, right? Which is equal to 1. Right? Which proves the time reversal test. Similarly, P01F into Q01F multiply korile V01F poa, then it is called P01F mane hol summation P1Q1 summation P0Q0. Now for this will say that factor reversal test pass korise. So for this, let's first find out Q01F. Now Q01F is given by summation Q1 P0 summation Q0 P0 summation Q1 P1 summation Q0 P1. Now this is equal to 532 by 700 into 658 by 875. এতিয়া আমি এইটোক P01 ignoring 100, P01 ignoring 100 কিমান আছিলে? This 875 by 700, 658 by 532. So this is P01 asile. So sorry, P01F into Q01F is equal to this into this, right? So it will multiply korile this will get cancelled. 700 875 and 875 will get cancelled. So this will give root over uporot 658 দুটা আছে 658 তলত 700 into 700 আছে. So this will be 658 by 700. And if you remember 658, আমি যদি আগত যাও, 658 is the value of summation P1 Q1 and 700 is the summation of P0 Q0. So আমি লিখিব পাৰো যে this is nothing but summation P1 Q1 summation P0 Q0, which is the value index, that is V01F. That means Fisher time reversal and factor reversal test satisfy korise, right? So this is how we calculate index number using this 4. So examot your most common are this Fisher's is the most common formula, and also Laspeyres, Passe and Marcel Edwards are the formula that we use. So ekita hol tumar weighted aggregates method are, and ami link price relative method eta study korim next class. And then we will move on to the next chapter, which is Vital statistics. Okay, so that's all for this class. See you in the next one.